It was a fantastic experience, a new first trekking experience for me. Physically, to be honest, I've been quite used to all these kind of terrains because I've shot a couple of times in these kind of situations. So it's not quite new for me the kind of experience what I've made, but the trekking wise, yes, this is the first time getting into the backpack and getting into the nature for like next 4-5 days, being with the nature is something very new because in this modern world, I think we are quite connected with the phones. We're glued to the phones, in fact. So these 5 days were really nice. It was a different experience for me, and being with friends is always fun. So it was nice. I would love to do again these kind of trekkings, but having said that, when it comes to physical, it definitely tests your physical abilities because we in the modern city world thinking that going to the gym completes your fitness regime, but that isn't true. When you're doing these kind of trekking, it definitely tests your other side of your physical fitness, so which I realized, which is fun. I would love to do this again.
And what are you taking back with you, as in what experiences, good, bad, and some things that you implement in your life, implement in your life on a daily basis?
I think in this modern world, I think we are quite dependent on everybody, which this trekking teaches you something which you have to be yourself. You have to take care of yourself. Because half of the time we are more dependent on our phones, our friends, our people, different people, a lot of things. We are very much dependent on this. So this trekking teaches me how to be yourself, how to take care of yourself, living with the nature, fighting against the nature, which is quite nice. But definitely, it's not on a practical basis. It's not possible every day. Probably in 6 months' time, I would love to do this for 10 days, span of 10 days. Which will definitely show me the other side of what I can do by myself. That is the thing.
And Barry, what are the visual memories of the animal pass that you did and you are taking back with you? What kind of views? What kind of different terrains? Visual memories that you are taking back with you?
It's so. How can I say? Because I've shot all over the country, different parts of the world, but it's so nice to see that India has so much of things to explore. India has so much of visual scenes to explore, which is something, because Himalayas is something which is a new experience for me, and it's been fabulous. It's been great to see that India has so much, because I've been to Ladakh before, and that is yet again one more beautiful place to visit. I think Himalayas one more place where you can where you get to see something which India has so much of things to explore. So I'm glad, and I would love to explore India more, because I've tried exploring India. There are a lot of other things to explore as well. So I think this trip has been visually a good treat as well for me, and always great to have friends around. And I've had my bunch of good fun for this week.
And how has been your experience with Renoc and the amenities? A very honest take on that.
Definitely, yes. They have given their best in providing what is required for the trip. Definitely, you cannot expect too many things when you're doing these backpack trips, because I've been through this backpack trip in Europe once, where you have to have minimum facilities to make sure that you survive on these kind of trips. And Renoc adventures have been great. They have a bunch of team which is quite capable enough to make sure that you get to the comfort zone, whatever available, which is really important. And we have been quite happy. Our whole group has been quite happy with what they have provided, and they've been quite patient with us, because first-time trekkers definitely do keep. How do you say? We keep. They have to be tolerant enough with our patience level, which Rohan has been great enough doing that. Had a fantastic experience. Would love to visit again with Renoc Adventures. Would love to get associated with them doing one more trek.
And the last question is that, what is your tip or the learning experience to the future trekkers who are the first time trekkers also, might be in terms of what experience that you have that you want to share in terms of tips, do's and don'ts?
I think those you really have to be mentally fit. Of course, physically fit is also important, but these kind of mountain trekking definitely requires willpower. You have to be mentally strong enough to make sure that you complete your trip. That's what makes sense when you're starting a trip. You really need to complete it rather than discarding in between and going back. Apart from that, I think whatever the experience what I've gained through. Next trek, if you're doing it, you have to make sure that you learn what you're going to do before, and to make sure you prepare yourself prior to make sure that you complete it in a very successful, very clean and relaxed way. Because half of the people here in our group itself completed it, and half of the people did not complete it. So those things, if you have to avoid the don'ts, you have to make sure that you learn the whatever you're going to do before to make sure that you complete it successfully. And apart from it, I think it's all about enjoying yourself. It's all about being yourself, and make sure that you have physical and mental strength, and take it simple. That's all.